Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Biweekly Contest 43. With 45 seconds to go, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, give me some likes or whatever. Um, Let me know how you did this contest, how are you feeling, Happy New Year, all that stuff. Um, I am actually the defending champion, I think. I won the last Biweekly. So let's hope that continues. Okay, that's probably unrealistic, but let's hope I do well anyway. I've actually been not doing super well in the other contest. I just got lucky on that one. So we'll see how that goes. Just trying to be careful, just trying to be, you know, just have fun out here and solve some problems, grind out the hard problems, and yeah. And here we go. Five, four, three, two, one, go. Okay. Hmm. That's off by a little bit. This is. Because it has to be 7, that's why. Hmm. Eh. Uh, a little bit disgusting, but that's okay. Let's try it. Come on. I think that looks fast enough. Any number of times. This feels like one of those greedy problems that is hard to prove. That's really annoying to prove this one. Yeah, I did. Don't like the way I like this. Oh man. I wasn't confident about this one at all. I just don't know how to do it otherwise. Okay. $13,000. Did I mix up the signs? Oh, that's weird. X is greater than Y. Y is greater than X. Wait, how come this didn't happen? Oh, that's just silly. This is what happens when you copy and paste. I knew I should refactor this into a function. Still may be wrong, but maybe better. Okay. That's a silly poem. I wish I did it. I mean, I got it, but I just was dumb about it. Okay. Let's see. Distance between two. Logographically. Okay. I is exactly I. Hmm. Should have paper ready. But okay. So 1 is just 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2. 3 is this one thing. 4, what's 4? 3 cannot be here. So 2 could be here. 3 could be here, and 1, is that right? And 5, you have this thing. 6. Probably just actually just brute force this and then just cache it. Might do that. Okay. Is it used? It's fine. We need this to go backwards, also break. is equal to 1. Okay. Oh, it's not good. 5, 3, 3. 4, 1, 2. Okay, so 20 factorial seems a little bit slow though. So I can be greedy. Five is starting to be no good, and 6 is also no good. It's missing 3. What is the right answer for 6? This is definitely a thing. And then this has to be a 4. 2. And then 5. 3. 1. Something like that. I mean, the pattern is kind of obvious, but so maybe I should have done it that way instead. Okay. And then 7, just to make sure. It's probably just this. Wait, is this right? Let me make sure. This is 6. But we still need some like 4s. 2, 1. Is that right? No, there's no 1. Whoops. That's fine. This is still right. 1. Okay. Okay. That's odd. No, our numbers are harder. Let's do the easy one first. X in range sub n all the way down to X. And then now and then it'll be equals n minus 1. Yeah. There's some like recursive E thing here. I think that's the hard part, is that actually maybe there's some recursive thing. Now what am I doing? Plus n minus 1. For x is in range of n minus 3 all the way to 1, -2. Index now is equal to n plus 1. I have to do it for 8. And then here something like that. Nope. Should be 1 like that. Okay. Okay, now I think I see the full pattern a little bit. Okay. For I mean, I know that I didn't do one of them, but let's take a quick look. 2 and 1, no, that's not right. Oh no, that's for 2. 2 is 2, 1, 2. No, this is actually right except for this part. Okay, fine. That's just for the final one. Should be okay. And now I have to do this one. This is annoying. It just means this one. Okay. If n is greater than 2, this looks okay, right? And then now, what's the other thing I want to do? Oh yeah, test for 7 and 8. Now that up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 is 1, 2, 3, 5. So I'm missing a 5 somewhere. Okay, that's good that we test these things. 8. Oh, I just don't index +1. Okay, good catch, Larry. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then now I have to do the even numbers or the odd numbers. Else, this should be the same idea. Let's see. Right. 5. Okay. So we want to put the 1 in the middle first. Okay. Let's see what this does first. Okay, that's good. It doesn't do the middle. 1 index +1 is equal to -1. Oh no, why does this take so long? This is why if you have a local compiler thingy, this is faster. But okay. Oh. I guess this doesn't work for 1. 1 is an input, right? Okay. Okay, so for odd numbers, yeah. 3, 4, 5, 4, 4 is good, and then now the rest. How do we spin out the rest? Well, this is 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay, so then that's just same as here, maybe. We already did the 1, so okay, let's see. So this is for odd number. Now, yeah, okay. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, okay. And then now let's just do a 20 spot check, because this would be a silly way to lose 5 minutes on a penalty. Okay. I think if I cared enough, I would also do a big odd one. I would write a tester to check that this is right, but that'll probably be too slow. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's give it a go. Oh no. Okay, well, I didn't optimize because I always put the 1 in front, which works for one of the inputs, but not for 7, apparently. Maybe I should have. Well, I mean, it's true. It's just that. Okay, now this is a little bit trickier, actually. Because I thought that there was a pattern, but these are too mathy and not enough. This is not programming, but I don't know. This is the direction Leetcode wants to go. Okay, so at least I got a right answer, but this is not quite right. Is this always going to be the case? What is the answer for 9? Put 6, 4, because 4 fits in here. For 9, do we imagine it fitting more? So I guess this answer is just wrong, but because 1, 2, 3, 4 is good, and then now you have 6 here, and then now you have 2, 1, 2, which is kind of awkward. So what's 9? 9, you have 9, 7, 5, 3, 3, 5, 7, 9. So then now you have 8 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. can you fit another one here? No, you cannot fit a 4 in here. So then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 8, and then now this is really weird problem in general. Maybe. What is the right answer for 7? Let me copy this before I lose it. 2, 1, 2, but here, 9, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is right. So that means that this has to be a 4, 2, 3, 4, and then now this means this has to be a 2, and then this is a 1, right? Do I have a better pattern here? Not really, but it is a way awkward. And now I have to double check my. No, I think this is still right for the even case because there's only one number in the middle. Because actually, is that true? No, because this is 4 numbers, so if I put a 5 here, this would be better. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 3. Okay. So this is the answer for 8. Really wonder whether it's just worth. So this is just all wrong. I still have an hour to go, but this is just annoying. Okay. Oh wait, no, this cannot be true because of the 2. Do we need the 2 here though? Can I do something like this? 5, 6, 6, 7, 3. This could be 2, 2, 1, right? Is this the right answer or part of one? No, now this is 7 and this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I needed one more number here. So this by contradiction. Okay, man, this is really mixing me up now. Okay, so let's assume that the even numbers are right. If not, we'll just have to get another wrong answer. Okay, then here 8, 8, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then that means that here we have 6 and 4. 5 we have 4 and 3 for some reason. Is that right? Yeah, I guess so. Now we have 1 and 4. But for 7 we have 6 and 4. Right? Is this the right one? Yeah, okay, that's the right one. Over here. Like, I guess my question is, does it make sense for this to be later then? I guess so. But then for like 11, what is the answer for 11, right? Then maybe it makes sense to have 3 things that are like this. Now then in this case it'll be 10, 8, 6, and then you have 5, 7, 9, 11, and then this is gonna be some weird backtracking thing, isn't it? Maybe that's what I should have done. Okay. Let's try the backtracking thing and then we'll memorize or something. Actually, let me make sure I have the code copy somewhere so I could reuse it. I think probably backtracking and caching is going to be the way to go. If my computer wasn't so slow for some reason. For me to... Why are you not letting me edit this? No. This is so... My computer's being dumb. Okay. want to optimize for the current number. That is true. Okay. And so index is equal to 0. Otherwise, keep going. Index is equal to length of ends and return true. Let's just do it. If not used K. Index is 0 K, and index plus K is equal to K. If possible, then return true. Otherwise, try using a 1. Is this right? This is not right. I mean, it's right, but it's not the best answer. Why is that? Well, let's just see if it's fast enough anyway. I think that's just an optimization. Yeah, it's gonna be too slow, it seems like. So we still have to do a little bit better even with figuring things out. That's a little bit sad, actually. That's actually not good. Well, I just don't know how to do this, I guess. And they've been doing really weird. Like, this is not an interview question. But so even if it's right, it's too slow anyway. But this is another one of those contests. All right. Why doesn't the 5 go first though? And this is also another one where everyone seems to know how to do, but I am not getting it quite right. I mean, even the 8 answer I'm not quite sure about, to be honest. So I had 6, 4, 8, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, like 7, right? But you can also imagine that, well, this could be 5 maybe. We replace it? No, I don't know. Maybe that's not true. Maybe it is just odd numbers and you just have to do. What is the answer for 11, right? Well, can you do this? 5, 6. This is 7, 8, 10, right? And then now you have 3, which okay, so then this is just 4, 6, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 8, 10, 10, and then this is now 4, and then 4, and then 2, 1, 2. Maybe it's not so bad. Maybe I complicated things too much. Let me take back my original answer. This is annoying as he. But then everything else is a edge case. Why not 3? This 3 is kind of edge casey. Also, I'm missing a 3. How that? So this is not right. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. I don't know why they're limited to 20 if there is a formula though. That's why I'm a little bit weird that it's not the recursion. Let's get to Q4 first. Let's see. Only one person got it. Okay, let's not get to Q4 then. This is right. Is this right? So each power of 2. For example, this we just do the 4. Is that right? I don't know. These contests are really not fun anymore. But if I want to do Code Force, I'll do Code Force. Also, this is off by 1. So this is wrong again. So I have to have 3. Yeah, so it should be just this. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then now we have okay. It's really weird. Yeah, maybe I'll just manually do all the odd ones. That's gonna be faster than whatever the thing I'm doing. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4. This is 4. But then now we need 2s and 1s, right? So that's a little bit invalid. Or am I doing this wrong? Oh, you need this 8 to be in there. But then now you have 6. Eight, 10. Then now there's 4. And then there's a 2 as well, so what the hey? I don't, maybe I'm just missing something critical in this one. I don't know how to do this. I mean, I really tried on this one, but alright, let's see. I'm gonna run this on my local box, see if I could do anything differently. Let's see how long that takes. Okay. Now we can at least. I just don't know how to do it. I mean, I get our way to do it, but it's I have to figure out how to. Three people got that one. That's ridiculous. Why am I so slow on this one? 200 people got it. Maybe I just need more sleep. So the problem is that this is just not optimal, even though it is right. So it thinks that this is the right answer, but we don't know if there's a better answer. No, it's gonna be too slow on my computer. It seems like 20 factorial is probably too slow. I mean, I knew that, but what we want to try is something like trying to see if I can figure out the pattern again, maybe. So this is the whatever, but the right answer is something that I deleted it. Whoops. But it's just that and 6 and a 4 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I mean, they're fundamentally the same. And then, okay. Do I just 10 factorial? What's 10 factorial? Still too slow though. On the rest of the numbers. Oh, I see. Can try it. Okay, let's try the brute force way, which is wait. I don't know, actually. Does everything to follow? Like if I try this. Right, then we have all this stuff. Let's say we put a 6 here. The 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. And now we have 4, but then there's a contradiction, right? Because we need a 2 and a 1. 1 can go anywhere, but then the 2. Can this be 8, 6? Or even 10, 6? No, cannot be a 6 here. It's okay. Now it cannot be. So 10 has to be in the middle. It has to be 110. That is weird. This is such a weird problem. Like I feel like this is the answer, but I can't prove it. And this is the answer for 9 or 7. What is 9 again? This is my answer, but it's not the right answer. 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 8 would be here. Then we have all the spaces. This is a 4, 2, 3, 4. This is a 2, and this is a 1. Wow, that is. How do you even get that? And then now to say 11, it doesn't hold is kind of hard to believe, to be honest. There's probably an invariant that I'm just not figuring out somehow, but I don't know. I just don't. Even this one is like an awkward one to do. Unless there's a recursion, like a recursion-y thing that I can think of. Oops. It's either that or maybe this is not the right answer at all. Maybe this is 8, 6, 4. And we just don't have the 3. Now we need a 3. But this may be the case for 13 or something. Wow, how did 200 people gotten this? I feel really dumb today. Like I'm not even having off by 1. I just don't know how to do it. At least not without brute force kind of way. Yeah, and the original code was never gonna work. Okay. Five, 6, 8, 10. Is this right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, so I need a 4, and 4 is too small. So this has to be a 3. That means that there's only 2 numbers in between. But I can't do an 8 or 10. So let's try 6 and a. I just feel like okay. Well, what's 13 then? I'm literally like gonna do it for all these manually, and it's gonna be really sad. 4943. Oh, yeah, I was gonna do some brute force, but I don't even know how to do that, to be honest. Maybe that's the answer. Maybe it's just me brute forcing on the odd ones because I don't know how to do it otherwise in an easy way. Okay, so 11 we pretend is that, then 13. And we have half an hour, so we definitely can have time to brute force this. But still it is a little sad if that's the way we're gonna do it. Okay, so now we have 4 in the middle that we can use maybe. So let's do 12, 10, 8, 6. And then now we have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, so 6, 8, 10. And then now we're done with all numbers up to, we have to do 4, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. So that's actually pretty easy if this is right. Maybe we'll write around data. Now this is missing some numbers because this is way longer, right? What number am I missing? Oh, I'm missing 12, but that's okay. That's just there. 2, 4, 6 is in here. Oh, and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But 3 we know the answer of, so that's actually not that bad. Or 4. What is the answer for 4? Because this substring is just 4 because we've done all the numbers before that, so that's actually not bad. Yeah, so this is just 4. This is a ridiculous way to solve a problem, by the way. But when you're desperate, you're desperate. Okay, so this looks good. And it is strictly better, so that's good. Okay. 9, this is good. 7, this is good. 5, I think they give you the answer, so let's just use that. Uh, 3 is also a number that they give you. And then 1 is just 1. So, okay. This is a ridiculous way to solve a problem. Don't do it at home. Unless you're, I don't know. I didn't even look at the other problem because I don't know. Okay. But we do have a pattern. It's just I don't know if it's a great pattern. So, okay. Now we have at least 4 numbers in the middle. And I don't think we're gonna do any more. So let's just do the 14, 12, 10, 8. And then now this is going to be 8, 10, 12, 14. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then there's a space. So that may actually not be right. But okay. And 7 is in there, 5 is in there. So that means that what are the numbers are left? 6. 6 is in here. 6. And then now we're 4, 3, 2, 1. So kind of similar to the suffix, but now it's a little bit weird. So let's do 4 here. This is also very prone to error, obviously. So I don't know. 4, and then 2 is going to be annoying. And then 3 is not going to be possible. So maybe that. I don't know how to do this one. I don't think I could. Like, I'm going to make a mistake, and then it's not going to be right. I don't know how. 13 has a great answer. Well, maybe I'm just I mean, I'm clearly missing something, but I don't even know how. This is a ridiculous contest. Yeah, I just don't know how to solve this. So this is gonna be another bad contest for me. How? And I'm not even sure that this is wrong. It's just I don't know how. For example, this could be 3 maybe. 1, 3. But then now you have 2 and a 4, and that's just, there's no way to do a 4 and a 2 without another 1. So that's just awkward. So this is the way to do it. If I don't even see the pattern, that's my problem. To be like, okay, this is definitely the reason why. I mean, I know that 11 and 15 are the case, but why 11 and 15? And 5, 5, 11, 15. Yeah, let's try it anyway. I mean, at this point, why not? I am so confusingly lost. Okay, so in this case, again, we want to put at least the 4 numbers in the middle, maybe even 5 at this point. So now we want to put it's 16, 14, 12, 10. I'm trying to think about something fundamental about this. I don't get it. Lexicographically large is when it makes it really annoying. I mean, there's always a solution, but like it makes it an interesting problem a really weird problem that I just don't get. Maybe there's an observation down to make that I'm just skipping over because I didn't refresh myself. I don't know. Maybe that this is another one, but I don't even want to do this anymore. This is such a silly problem. I don't want to do anymore. And the other one has 3 solutions. I don't even think that's, you know, there's no chance I'm going to get it unless I've already done it before. But probably not. I don't know. I didn't. There are a lot of smart people working on it, and if they're not getting it, I'm not getting it. At least not in like 5 minutes or whatever. How? I don't know why my. So I'm testing my other solution. I don't know why it does it this way. This is very awkward. I see why, but. No, I don't see why. I don't even know why my brute force is not working. I'm just gonna see if I could get an intuition from the brute force solution. I don't know why. I don't know why that. Everything about this problem is wrong for me. Oh. I am dumb. So this is the answer for 7 that I got from my script. Is this matching this at least? Okay. And now can I get it for 15? Okay. That was actually pretty fast for 15, but huh, maybe I just had a typo that I fixed. Okay, fine. don't print out everything. Come on. Well. Wow. Did I have the solution the entire time I was just being dumb? I might be. Maybe that's why everyone got it. Okay, let's just give it a submit. So I had the solution, but I had a typo. Okay, fine. That was pretty dumb. Okay. I got that within like 10 minutes. Well, after the wrong answer, but oh. So a couple of people got in half an hour, you got it. Okay, let's see. I mean, I don't know, but I'm really. There are a lot of good, smart people, and they didn't get it, so it seems unlikely. I really should have gone Q3 really faster though, but I was just being dumb. Yeah, I missed one typo. Okay. That was dumb. Yeah, this is gonna be a terrible ranking for me because. And usually I make it up by solving the hard problem, but I don't know if no one is solving it. Then that's just, you know. X. That's just the Y. Okay, so the top region. At least one node that's different parents in both ways. If and only if. Okay, so that means that because they are not. This is where I need paper, but again, I'm not gonna solve this in 10 minutes, so we'll see. And this is a long thing, so we have to be able to do it in a depth first search kind of way, or maybe just union find. Oh, it has to be an ancestor. It doesn't have to be the parent. No, I feel really bad because I definitely had it early, but I just had a typo in it. I didn't think it was fast enough. That's the main reason why I didn't do it. But because if I thought it was fast enough, then I would have just fixed the bug. But I just didn't believe it, so that was a little bit sad. I don't know that I can get this. The 500 nodes, that's has to be a tree. Just sloppy today in general. I feel like I was pretty fast on the stuff that I should be able to get, but this one I don't know if I have any idea, to be honest. So that's fine. $500 square. What's 500 square again? So we can definitely do a thing. There's some kind of contradiction thing. Maybe. How do you find, so the no valid should be easy. Maybe. Easier. Don't know if that's true. I don't even know how to construct a tree. So one. What is the precondition as we go down? Good job, save VMK. I mean, I'm just trying to get an idea. I don't think I'm going to solve it in 5 minutes, to be frank. So we'll do some system testing stuff, but or like a code review. I'm just not even getting an invariant for this problem that I understand. We got it in 8 minutes. I don't know. I mean, he's very good. Like, I'm just trying to make one observation right now, and I'm not even seeing it. So, there is some. What does it mean when? Yeah. when if n is smaller, I could have done some like void Warshaw things, and that would have been easier. But now, basically, if for example 1 and 3 are connected, but they're not, so that means that 2 should be a root or something in between 2 and them. So that's really hard. And in the same way, I guess the observation is that 1 has to be a root because, or 1 has to be an ancestor of 2 and 5 because 2 and 5 is not a thing, right? But then by contradiction, so maybe it's some 2-sat E thing where you try to find 2-sat solution. And in this case, it's fine because, well, but yeah, if I have Ford Warshaw, like if n is smaller, that would be doable. But I don't know that there's I mean, I guess it's v squared plus v plus e is probably the optimal algorithm that we're gonna look for this problem. Maybe some sorting on the pairs, but yeah, I don't know this one, so. Yeah, this is my worst contest in a while, but I feel so dumb because I had the answer, right? So I don't know. Even if I had it in like 15 minutes, I would have been top 100, which is kind of crazy score. But instead, or even an hour, I guess. But I just didn't look at it, right? Oh, I've been like top something. But I just didn't. I have to look at the video to see what my time was, and because I had the solution, but what happened was that I missed this if statement, and so the recursion was too. It was just doing dumb things. The funny thing was it still gave me a valid answer, which is why I didn't look into it too deeply. Tactical mistakes and also wrong answer on this one because I just copy and paste wrong in a dumb way. So that was pretty fast on the first two, relatively, if it wasn't for that. Oh wow, a lot of people actually end up finishing. That was maybe it's a China server merge or something. A lot of Chinese people got it. Or at least more than non-Chinese people. I'm just chatting on Discord, which you should join, by the way, if you're still here. So let's let's do a code review on Q4 real quick. I was kind of talking about this. And some crazy sorting, but sorting by in degree and out degree. Let's see if Save MRS got it. This looks readable, so let's see. Okay, so we just set up the edges and then we set up the number of components. And then just do this thing. Is this a recursion thing or why is it just a helper? Okay. Let's see. don't really understand this recurrence, so I mean, this is actually why did he huh. I guess that makes sense. Depends a lot, but I don't know if I could prove that. That's why. But it's not gonna click on Lakers. Wait, some obfuscated code. I mean, it seems like everyone did it in a similar way where they you know, did a brute force depth research, which makes sense. But I don't get the invariant for this farm, so I might have to kind of look at it later. And I don't know, I have all these Chinese solutions, but yeah, I might have to take some time offline to. So I'm just trying to ping someone to kind of see if there's an easy way. But I mean, this is just brute force depth research to see if you could figure out two ways. Don't know how I feel about that, but and while I'm here, let's take a look at Q3. Yeah, everyone just did it. I didn't think this was fast enough. This is why I didn't submit it, and this is why even though like I had this code really early on, but I didn't do it. I was trying to find a pattern instead. Oh well. Yeah, I mean this one I also. Yeah, I got it except for I copy and paste dumbness. So still very sloppy. Q1 was Q1. Oh yeah. But yeah, I guess it is what it is. I don't know. I feel a little bit sad about it. Not gonna lie. Wow, this is some crazy formula. And I feel like I probably could have finished. I mean, I don't know if there's a Chinese server thing that. Oh, there we go. But I feel like I probably could have finished like top 50, top 100 if I had just like did Q3 fast enough, which I had. So I'm capable of it, but I'm just not being very careful today. Cool. Well, there's now more solutions to look at, so let's see. Seems like everyone did it the same way, but I don't know the like the code makes sense. It's just this one has a priority queue, and they do it that way. But without the understanding, I don't know it makes any sense. Or like I remember reading that comment from JD. I don't know where. Oh, you know, but take the largest adjacent. But I don't know why that is like good enough, right? I think that's my problem. I don't know if I could prove it. Yeah, I mean either this way too, but yeah, I don't know if I could prove it. That's my thing. So I don't know. Oh well. That's all I have for this contest. Let me know what you think. I will get back to this at some point, and I will see you later. Bye bye.